Do you find yourself resizing windows or moving them around in order to see what is also open on your computer? The shortcut for that is to hold the Command key down and hit the tab, which opens all of your apps that are open or your programs. Then you can continue hitting tab and it will cycle through them, and you can stop on the one you want to look at, or you can use the mouse to go to one that you want to look at. Another trick is to hold the Command key and use the tilde key, which is right above the tab, the little squiggly line, and it will cycle through the windows that you have open on your in that app. So these are in my browser. Those are the windows that I have open. Then the other thing you can do is to hold the Command key down and hit M, which will minimize it and get it all that window out of the way altogether. To reopen a minimized window, you go to the menu bar and tap Window and go down. The ones with the little diamond are minimized, and if there's no diamond, it's open. And you find the one you want and click on it.